Okay, I have replaced it with the new belt that was sent to me, replaced it with a new tensioner pulley. I've also had removed this metal dry pulley, taking off the bolt, taking off the pulley, cleaning it, and putting JB-weld, let it set for 48 hours, and unfortunately there is still noise. So I think it's probably a bad bearing on the right side or the left side. When I turn this larger drive wheel up here, that bearing seems okay, but I'm not 100% sure. So here's the sound. So that's the sound, and it's pretty loud.